Alright guys, this is my outdoor grill. So what I'm doing now, I'm using the ashes from the wood. This is wood fire. So now I'm using the ashes from this and I'm going to feed my plants. So there's many ways I feed my plants. This is one way, guys. Guys, I'm just showing you guys ways and how things you can use to feed your plant with. Okay? I've been doing this for years and I get great results. So it's up to you guys. If you want to try it and see how it works for you. Okay? Okay, so I almost have a bucket here. So I'm going over by my garden and I'm going to feed some plant with this ashes. Okay, so we have some pepper plant here that's already start pushing out blossom. So I'm gonna throw some of this around it. I'm just showing you guys things that I use to feed my plant with. So this is ashes that come out of my outdoor grill. The only kind of fire is wood fire. Okay? So this is my eggplant. These are things I use to feed my plant with, guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.